all taped up, all scuffed up, and pretty much ready for primer. Alright guys, quick little update. Primed the whole car pretty much except for the roof and the hood because I'm going to do those later. Those still need some body work. But for the rest, it looks pretty good. So I just wanted to do a quick little walk around. Doesn't look too bad. I'm going to let that cure right now. And then probably the next day when I come back, I'll 320 it and paint it. Or primer the rest of the parts. But as of right now, that's kind of it. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little walk around. Should be looking like that soon. So this is basically metallic, space white metallic. Just put 2 coats of clear over it, and it came out honestly beautiful. But yeah, this is a 2021 Ford color, so it's, you know, nobody has this, and nobody has this on a BMW. So it's gonna be one of a kind.